Want to know how to send coupons using Mailchimp? Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have the step-by-step guide to create and send coupons to your audience in no time. Before we get started, did you know you can use Mailchimp for free? Yes, that's right. You can access Mailchimp's full features without paying a dime just by clicking the first link below. Plus, we have some exclusive bonuses just for you, so make sure to check that out after the video. Alright, let's dive into how to send coupons using Mailchimp. First, you need to make sure you have a Mailchimp account. If you haven't signed up already, go ahead and do that now. Next, the first thing you want to do is create a campaign. Log into your Mailchimp account and head over to the Campaigns tab. Click on Create Campaign, then select Email. Choose Regular Email for this purpose. You're going to want to build your email where the coupon will be the main attraction. Now, the third thing to do is design your email. In the email editor, you'll want to create an eye-catching layout that highlights your coupon. Mailchimp gives you a drag-and-drop editor, so it's really simple to add images, text, and buttons. You can add a button that links to your online store or a landing page that details how to use the coupon. Make sure the coupon code is clear and easy to read. Next thing, adding the coupon code. This is where you'll create the coupon itself. Mailchimp integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it super easy to generate unique coupon codes. If you're using one of these platforms, you can automatically sync your discounts to be used in the email. The fifth thing is personalizing the email. You can use Mailchimp's merge tags to personalize the subject line or the body of the email. This helps you connect with your recipients by using their name or other details, making the coupon feel more special and exclusive. Now, the sixth step is setting up your audience. This is where you choose who gets your coupon. You can segment your audience based on certain factors like past purchases, engagement, or geographic location. This allows you to send your coupon to the right people who are more likely to redeem it. Next thing, scheduling or sending your campaign. Once your email looks good and you're happy with it, it's time to either schedule it for later or send it out right away. I recommend scheduling for a time when your audience is most active. You can check your analytics to find out when that is. And there you have it. You've now learned how to send coupons using Mailchimp. Pretty simple, right? It's a great way to engage with your customers and increase sales by offering them discounts they can't resist. One more thing before I go, don't forget that you can get an exclusive extended free trial of Mailchimp by clicking the first link below. That means you'll have access to all the features without paying anything for a while. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!